Welcome back to Cash Flow Upgrade video training course. This is the last video number 6 of our Cash Flow Upgrade video course. So in this video, let's talk about estate preservation. Okay, so once again, this is Tiyo Pilo of lifestyleincomeXP.com. And a quick review to the 6 steps of financial security. We've already explained all these steps. Number 1, yung increasing cash flow. Number 2 naman, debt management. Number 3 is to create emergency funds, all right? And then number 4, we need to protect ourselves before investing, which is step number 5. Ngayon naman, we need to learn how we can preserve yung estate natin, okay? Because we work hard to earn wealth. We now need to plan also by the time we have to, we pass down yung wealth natin sa future generation natin. Okay? So, basically, ganito yung steps na we already discussed in the past few videos. So, number 1, we need to have a positive cash flow. Okay? So, income coming in must be greater than the income going out, which is yung cash outflow. So, that is step number 1. We need to increase yung cash flow natin. If you have a source of income, dapat meron ka mga part-time job, freelance career, sideline business, and investments on the side para meron kang additional sources of income. Number 2 naman of increasing our cash flow is we need to manage our lifestyle, our needs, our wants, and most especially yung debts natin. Kung pwede, we need to minimize debts or eliminate debt. Okay? Once yung wealth bucket natin will start to overflow kasi we are putting more income in than going out. So, we have what we call an overflow. Itong overflow na to, we can now start building yung emergency funds natin. Okay? Because yung goal natin is we don't wanna go back into debt. Okay? Ayaw natin emergency loans. Dapat meron tayong emergency funds. Okay? And once we have that fund, so we will now start to build a solid financial foundation. So before going into any kind of investments, first we need to protect ourselves. In case something happens to us, meron tayong insurances, healthcare, dapat wala na tayong utang, okay? And once we start building a solid financial foundation, we can now venture into different types of investments. Because sooner or later, yung goal natin is we wanna become financially free, okay? And once nagawa natin to, we will be able to build wealth. Ito na yung wealth natin. We work so hard to have wealth para sa family natin. The next question would be is, once meron na tayong wealth, how can we pass that down to our future generation? Okay? That's why it's very important also to learn about wealth preservation. Okay? So basically, what do you mean by estate? Okay? So it means yung net worth of a person. Basically, ito yung assets natin minus yung liabilities. In simple definition, everything you own under your name. Okay? Lahat ng mga properties mo, lahat ng ari-arian mo, lahat ng mga negosyo mo, under your name minus yung mga kailangan mong bayaran or yung mga utang mo, yun yung estate. Okay? Again, assets mo minus liabilities, net worth of a person, yan yung estate mo. Okay? So, it involves your properties, cars, negosyo, businesses, or even yung mga investments mo, stock portfolio mo, mutual fund portfolio. Lahat assets, yan yung estate mo. Okay? So, ngayon, let's say for example, for how many years we work so hard, we have all these assets like properties, cars, businesses, stock market, or investments. The next question would be is, what if something happens to us? Okay? How can we pass that down to our family? Can we easily pass that down? Actually, hindi. Okay? Dito na papasok yung tinatawag natin na estate tax. Estate tax, meaning, ito yung kailangan bayaran ng mga family mo, so that they can they can transfer yung name, okay, from you sa kanila, dun sa family mo. And ito based to sa BIR, okay? Effective January 1, 1998 up to 2018 na lang to. Okay? Ito yung dati. Okay? Ito yung tax table from BIR. Okay? And then because effective January 1, 2018, meron na tayong bagong estate tax which is yung flat rate of 6%. Okay? Because of the train law. Again, konting disclaimer lang, I'm not a lawyer, okay? I'm not an estate planner, but this video is for informational purposes only. If you want to learn more about this one, I highly suggest you consult a professional, okay? But again, for informational purposes only, right now, yung tax natin is just 6%. Compare natin dati, maraming brackets yun eh. So, let's say for example, dito, exempted, and then 5%, 8%, up to 20%. Ang laki ng tax, estate tax up to 20%. Ngayon, because of the train law, it is much lower, 6% na lang. Okay? So let me show you some examples. And by the way, ito din yung mga allowable deductions because of the train law. So meron standard deduction of 5 million. So whatever amount you have in assets, we will deduct 5 million. Okay? And whatever is left, yan na yung taxable amount. Okay? And then kapag may bahay ka naman, minus mo yung 10 million sa bahay. Okay? And then sa dating tax law, meron pa mga funeral expenses, judicial expenses, or yung mga medical expenses. Wala na to. Wala na to sa train law. Wala na to. And then, yung dati is 1 million lang sa family home. Ngayon, 10 million na. Standard deduction dati is 1 million. Ngayon, 5 million na. Okay? So, basically, ito yon sa train law. Again, if you wanna learn more about this one, you better consult a professional. Okay? So, let's proceed. Give you some examples. So, example, this is a breadwinner. I am a breadwinner and yung asset ko lang is savings in the bank. Okay? 200,000. Okay? So, this person was not really able to build wealth. Meron na siyang 200,000. So, in case something happens to that person, yung estate tax na babayaran ng family niya, based sa dati, exempted yon. So, basically, yung family na, they don't need to pay any estate tax to get yung 200,000. Alright? However, based of the train law, 200,000, again, yung asset niya minus yung deduction, which is 5 million, again, that's still zero. Walang babayaran yung family niya. Okay? And then, let's say, for example, this person is a very wealthy person, was able to build wealth. Okay? So, let's say, for example, his total asset umabot ng 15 million. So, meron siyang bahay, meron siyang negosyo, meron siyang mga stock portfolio, whatsoever. So, yung estate tax ng family, let's compute. Okay? Ito yung before, yung dati. Yung dati, if yung estate ng person is more than 10 million, yung tax ng family is 1.2 million. More or less 1.2, or to be exact, 1,215,000. Ang laki. Di ba? Ang laki. Plus 20% of the excess of the 10 million. Okay? Meaning, eto, compute natin. So, based dito sa table, yung tax na babayaran ng family is 1.2 million. More than 1.2 million. And then, 20% of the 5 million. Kasi nag-excess Excess ng 10 million. Okay? I mean, 15 million yung asset niya. Yung excess ng 10 million is 5 million. So, 20% of that is 1 million. So, yung total estate tax ng family, okay, is 2.2 million. More or less, 2,215,000. Kailangan bayaran ng family para ma-acquire nila lahat ng assets ng breadwinner. Okay? Kapag hindi nila yan mabayaran, these assets will be frozen, hindi nila makukuha, they cannot enjoy the wealth. Okay? That supposedly deserve para sa family nila. Okay? So, do you like that? Hirap nun, di ba? That's why estate planning is something that we also need to really prepare about. Pero good news, because of the train law, ganito. Because of the train law, assuming yung business owner, yung breadwinner was able to accumulate a total estate of 20 million. 20 million. Yung flat rate natin is 6%, di ba? 6%. Alright? So, compute natin. Using yung mga deductions, okay? Meron tayong mga deductions, di ba? So, example, yung bahay ng family or nito, yung breadwinner, minus mo yan ng 10 million. Okay? Tapos, meron siyang car na 3 million, stocks worth 3 million, and other assets worth 4 million. Okay? So, ganito yung computation. So, I don't know. I hope I am clear. Okay? I hope you're able to catch up. But anyhow, ganito yung computation. Yung total estate ng family is 20 million minus ng 10 million sa family home. So, assuming natin yung home ng family is 10 million. Okay? And then, minus yung standard deduction, which is yung 5 million. So, yung answer is 5 million, yung left. Yung 5 million, yan yung taxable amount. Again, taxable amount. Alright? So, meron na tayong 5 million. I-multiply natin sa 6% flat rate. 6%. Meaning, yung kailangan bayaran ng estate tax ng family is just 300,000. Okay? Again, total estate ng business owner or yung breadwinner is 20 million. Yung estate tax ng family is around 300,000 na lang. Compared natin kanina, 15 million yon. Yan yung dati. 15 million. yung estate tax ng family is 2.2 million. Okay? But because of the train law, 300,000 na lang. Okay? So, that's why, as you can see, estate planning is something very powerful. It's something that we need to also learn because sooner or later, we work so hard to build wealth. And it's very disappointing, it's very sad kapag lahat ng pinaghirapan natin, we cannot pass it down dun sa family natin. Okay? So, I hope you learned something. And if you want to learn more about all these topics, so in my advanced course, which you can check down a link below, cash flow upgrade advanced course natin, we can learn more about life insurance and estate planning, building an estate corporation or yung mga trusts and wills. Okay, so this is the last part of our 6 steps to financial security cash flow upgrade video training course, and I hope you learn a lot in this video training. If nagustuhan mo to, hit the like button, share this video, or subscribe in my YouTube channel, or share yung biggest takeaway mo dun sa comment box below. Alright, so if you want to learn more, again, meron tayong advanced course, and if you want to attend a live training, meron din tayong link below. Alright, you can coordinate with me so you can schedule live training. If gusto mo naman, okay lang sa'yo yung webinar training, meron din tayong free webinar training. There's a link below. Okay? So once again, Tiyo Pilo here, and I'm so excited para sa'yo. I hope you learned something, and God bless. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!